In this video, I'm going to show you a really type of easy, simple type of video you can make this week to advertise your dance classes. So I'm on our YouTube channel. I'm going to go to videos. And once on videos, I'm going to show you the video we used for an advert. So all it was, here it is. So just go click on the video. So all we're doing is just giving an example of how we teach the dance classes. So that's all you need to do is make a video example of how you're going to teach people if they come to your dance classes. Just show them the very basic move on how they can do your type of dance. Once you've done that, right at the end, just have something that says, so there's just a video. At the end, we've got a subscribe button and people can subscribe after they've seen the video. So it's really simple. Anyone can do this. And I'm just going to show you some little stats so you can see how it works. Just going to go to my channel. And I'm going to go to this option called Video Manager here. Once done that, I'm going to click on this option called Dashboard. And you can see this is right before we started advertising here, and you can see like our views went straight up, and you can see the amount of time people watched the videos went up too. We got a few more subscribers, and the money from our videos started going up too. So it's all been a really positive experience. So it's just a simple video after class, just show people how they can, just show them how you teach, how to do a basic dance move, and then that's a great video you can use to advertise dance classes. Just mention where your dance classes are on the video and to subscribe to your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a bit more about the video advertising. Now, our video has got seen by 2,834 people, and out of those people saw the ad shown before the YouTube video, 637 watts, and this was in the space of like 4 weeks, and it's costed so far is £25.34. So that's really good. That's 637 people watched our video in our local area, because these adverts only showed in the London area. They show nowhere else apart from within our local town. So that's a great thing about video advertising. You can just focus on local areas and promote your dance brand. So hope it's been a good video to get you started.